Good Friday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather here on November the 8th here at 9:51 a.m. Let's start off by taking a look at this morning's outlook by currently taking a look at current conditions right now. We do see some showers and storms across the southern portions of our coverage area. That is continuing to move north at this time here. And as that moves north, those rain chances will continue to, that rain and showers and storms will continue to push north. So expect a rainy day today, some scattered isolated showers. We currently have rain chances around 50%. They could go a little higher just depending on, who sees what. It's going to be scattered in a way, but a decent chance of rain for most of our coverage area. And currently temperatures, these haven't updated yet. They have updated recently as of 9:42, but we'll continue to watch what those temperatures do as rain moves over those areas. But in the Ouachita Mountains region, Mena, Mount Ida, Hot Springs, temperatures are still in the 50s. Elsewhere, they're in the lower 60s across the area here at this current time. And satellite pretty much shows cloudy skies, overcast, cloudy skies, and that trend looks to continue. You can see those thunderstorms and showers down here across the area, but really overcast conditions, and that looks to continue throughout the day today. So now real quickly, let's take a look at what we're currently seeing for forecasted highs for the day today. And taking a look at that, you can see conditions continue to show for temperatures being in the mid to upper 60s and nearing the lower 70s in a few areas, depending on what we see with those rainfall chances and such there as well. Just continuing to monitor for the chance of some rainfall today and overcast skies. Really going to keep us in the 60s today. A few areas could reach the lower 70s as we go throughout the day today here across your area. Then taking a quick look at your forecasted overnight lows, temperatures are going to range from the mid 50s into the lower to mid 60s potentially across the area. With that cloud cover, we really don't cool down a whole lot, but we do see some more rain chances overnight tonight as well. But take a look at your high school football Friday night lights forecast. Looks like a rainy night for football for Friday nights. Can't rule out the possibility of an isolated thunderstorm or two. Temperatures are really going to hover right there around 60 to the upper 50s maybe, and in some areas into the mid to upper 60s across far south and eastern portions of our coverage area. But really temperatures are going to range from the lower 60s to maybe the mid to upper 60s in some other areas, but really mid to lower lower 60s and upper 50s look likely for your Friday night lights throughout for the temperature forecast. Rain chances will be around 70%, so expect some rain, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Can't rule that out. Hopefully we avoid that and get just some beneficial rainfall. Those do increase as we go later into the overnight hours or near the fourth quarter or end of games to 80%. Starting off with a northeast wind of around 5 miles per hour, turning to east with 5-mile-per-hour wind gusts there, or 5-mile-per-hour winds being a possibility there as well. So now real quickly, let's take a look at what future radar could potentially look like as we progress throughout the day today. This starts us off as of 10 a.m. And remember, if you look at it currently, it doesn't pick up great what's going on down here. It kind of does, but just remember that's a good example. That data just gives you the general idea, not the exact potential forecast, but this is an idea of what radar could look like as we go throughout the day. Rain chances just continuing to move north, maybe a little bit of a break before more rain moves in this afternoon. And here you go. Here's your general idea. You could see some scattered showers here, really increasing in coverage and moving more across the coverage area in throughout the overnight hours there. Some scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm right there around 11 p.m. and into the overnight hours. Those rain chances continue to look likely and increase overnight there. And then if we back this up and take a look at what it looks like after this, you can see here as we go into Saturday morning for your Hunter's forecast, that trend really continues. Rain chances look likely throughout the day on Saturday, and then they start to try to decrease in the afternoon. And then still continuing those some scattered isolated showers, but they should start to decrease as we go into the day on Sunday. But we'll have more on that this evening. And as always, we're going to have an updated hunters forecast coming out this evening. Going over Saturday and Sunday specifically, and talk about what's in store for the next 6 days as well. Still watching the middle of next week for some potential rain chances, but we'll talk more about that this evening. As always, have a good rest of your Friday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Big thanks to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, Tan Energy, and Nutrition. Make sure to check them out over on Facebook and check us out over on Facebook as well. And as always, have a good rest of your Friday.